Government extends nationwide lockdown till May 17. Earlier, Union Ministry of Home Affairs had issued new guidelines to regulate different activities in this period based on zones. Mahila Congress files complaint against Michael Azgaonkar for calling Goa police corrupt, demands apology from them. Goa is going to get a double weather whammy, showers accompanied by thunder in the next 2 days and a heat wave for May 8 to 14, so cover up. The lockdown has affected people from all walks of life. Now even theatre artists say they are in need of financial help and want the government to do something. Hello everyone, I am Leena and now the news in detail. The Union Ministry of Home Affairs on Friday issued an order extending the lockdown for 2 more weeks after May 4. Earlier on Friday, the ministry had issued new guidelines to regulate different activities in this period based on different zones. On 22nd January, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced Janata Curfew, while state government had extended the Janata Curfew till 22nd April. However, the corona positive cases continued to surge. Later, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced to extend the lockdown till 3rd May, but still there was no decrease in coronavirus cases. On Friday, Ministry of Home Affairs in its order extended lockdown for more 2 weeks after 4th May. The lockdown has been extended till 17th May. Central government has put the entire Goa into green zone. Central government has formulated a list of 773 zones which includes 130 red zones, 284 orange zone and 319 green zones. Further relaxations would be implemented in green zones.
Few weeks ago, state government had earlier classified North Goa as red zone and South Goa as green zone. In the latest guidelines issued by central government, entire Goa was classified into green zone. According to Health Ministry, a district will be considered a green zone if there are no confirmed cases so far or there is no reported case for the last 21 days in the district. Uttar Pradesh has high number of red zones followed by Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Delhi. Government said list will be updated on weekly basis. Ministry of Home Affairs has allowed to run special trains for movement of stranded migrant workers, pilgrims, tourists and students. Home Ministry on Friday issued notification which stated that Minister of Railways will designate a nodal officer for coordinating with states and union territories for the movement of stranded persons. It has also informed that Minister of Railways will issue detailed guidelines for sale of tickets and for social distancing and other measures to be observed at train stations, train platforms within the trains. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Goa is going to get light showers accompanied by rain in the next 2 days, the Met Department said on Friday. However, more worrying is the heat wave forecast for May 8 to 14.
Rains will be accompanied by thunder, the Met Department's scientist Rahul M said on Friday.
Regarding the present weather, as of now there is one trough, a weather system called trough that is there passing near the Karnataka region. And because of that, and the temperature levels, because of these two reasons, there is a lot of moisture incursion taking place over Goa region. So in view of that, there is possibility of light rain, or in this season the rain will always be accompanied with thundering. So we say that in these 2 days there is probability of light rain associated with thunder. Whenever there is any such weather systems are forming near around Goa region, we detect them using our remote sensing equipments and we issue nowcast warnings for that, like where the cloud is now and which all areas are going to get affected. That information we pass on our website as well as on social media platforms such as Twitter and Facebook. So we would request public to be subscribing to our own social media platform accounts as well as keep on checking our website for latest updates.
Government has asked that measures to be put in place by line departments and a heat wave preparedness plan be prepared as per advisory for heat wave 2020.
The extended range forecast model of India Meteorological Department, which forecast weather parameters for the coming month, that is for this entire month of May 2020, has given the indications that in the second week of May, that is from 8th of May to 14th of May, maximum temperature will be around 36 to 37 degrees Celsius, and that is somewhat 3 to 4 degrees above the normal value for that period. So it's always advised that public should not get exposed to heat in those times. They should be taking a lot of liquid and should avoid getting dehydrated. In view of this, the state government has issued some warnings for the public, and we would request that the public should be adhering to the warnings that has been issued by state government and state disaster management authority.
Our video journalist Shyam Chari from Altin.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Congress has filed a complaint against Garbage Management Minister Michael Lobo and Deputy Chief Minister Babu Asgaonkar for calling Goa Police Force corrupt. Mahila Congress Chief Pratima Coutinho has demanded that both the ministers apologize to the police force and asked the Chief Minister to intervene.
Pratima, along with two more members of Mahila Congress, lodged the complaint at the Panaji police station. Currently, Tulsidas Naik is the police inspector of the town police station.
We have come to complain, subject sangta tumka, complain on the Deputy CM of Goa, that is Babu Asgaonkar. दुसरो म्हणटा तो पोर्ट मिनिस्टर मायकल लोबो. ह्या दोगांचेर आमी आयज कंप्लेन करपाक आयल्या फॉर देयर रिमार्क्स, स्टेटमेंट्स abusing our Goa police force. My complaint states as Goa Pradesh Mahila Congress, Advocate Pratima Coutinho wants to register a police complaint on our very own Goan Port Minister, Mr. Michael Lobo, and Deputy CM of Goa, Manohar Babu Asgaonkar. Now, I've said that Goa Port Minister Michael Lobo has made an allegation against the Pedne Police Station Inspector of Pedne, that is Mr. Sandesh Chodankar. आणि ताणे कितें केलां, he has launched a frontal attack on Mr. Sandesh Chodankar to be involved in corruption, that too without any evidence in hand, and this is highly objectionable. In this statement, he has made various baseless charges while addressing the media, where he has said that drugs are easily available in Pedne and police are taking bribe from trucks which are involved in goods transportation business amounting to 500 from each without any proof in hand, and by doing this he has defamed all our Goan police brothers who are the front liners of COVID-19 today. Further, I have stated, countering the allegations made by the Port Minister on Pedne Police Inspector, the Deputy Chief Minister of Goa, Babu Asgaonkar, said there is no legal permission given to anyone to extract the sand by the government of Goa. In this regard, he has directed the Pedne Police Inspector to take strict action if any found in the sand transportation. Further, he has said that Michael Lobo had made a call to the police inspector, shouting, abusing at him and making a lot of allegations on him so that his truck could be released. Deputy Chief Minister Babu Asgaonkar has said, now listen to this properly. जो आमचो गोयचो Chief Minister सा Deputy Babu Asgaonkar further stated that Minister Lobo सांगला कि Minister Lobo, Michael Lobo should show him one single police officer on duty who is honest and who does not take bribe. And by this statement, he has also stated that the entire Goa Police Department is corrupt from IGB to constable level. Stating further, the Deputy CM said, if there is any truth, then action should be taken on Pedne PI, not only on him, but all the police in Goa who are found to be guilty, so the drugs, prostitution and gambling can be stopped. आणि हांव मागता डिमांड करता सीएमा कडेन, प्रमोद सावंत, होम मिनिस्ट्री पळय, दिस इज एन इन्सल्ट डायरेक्टली टू यू. कित्याक फाल्यां हेच म्हणटले की सगळे पुलीस हप्ता एकठांय करतात आनी होम मिनिस्ट्रीचो हेड जो आसा तुज्या हातींत तें डिपार्टमेंट आसा की तुका हप्ता पावयता म्हूण. आनी मायकलाक सांगूंक सोदता, इफ यू हॅव एविडन्स देन स्पीक, डोंट गो एंड बाक ऑन द टीवी, डोंट गो बाक ऑन द सोशल मीडिया.
Our video journalist Shyam Chari in Panji.
Congress party and some local Kankon youth in a unique way highlighted the lethargy of government. The Kankon bus stand was left ignored by authorities for several years and roof has blown off. Now they have covered the roof with palm leaves. Here's more.
Congress said the Kankona bus stand was built in the year 2004 but was not maintained for last 15 years. The bus stand was in dilapidated condition and roof was blown up at several parts. Congress gathered some local youths and thatched it with palm leaves as authorities had turned blind eye to the repairs. There was also quarrel between Congress and police while undertaking the work. Later, the Congress met Deputy Collector where he assured them KTC will undertake repair works of bus stand within 10 days once lockdown gets over. If not, he will order to shut the bus stand.
पहिले आम्ही शॉपवाल्या मेळे शॉपाची व्यथा आनी कत रडपा येवपा लागली ते म्हणपा लागले आमच्या हांगा लाखाचो सामान ज्या पत्री फुटून उंदीर भितर वचून पाड जाल्लो आसा उदक वचून पाड जाल्लो आसा हाका जबाबदार कोण काय म्हण हांव तेच विचारता जबाबदार कोण तशेंच हांगा बस स्टँडार आमगेले आसा ते बसबाव ड्रायव्हर क्लिनर ते बोवाळ मारताले आमी समज हांगा गेल्यार आमी पॅसेंजरां सकयल देंवयले जाल्यार उदकाचान इतलो मार पडटा तो सोसूं जायना म्हण तशें मागीर बोला लागले शॉपवाले मेळे म्हाका सगळ्या शॉपवाल्यांक प्रत्यक्षान भेट घेतली प्रशासन तांकां विचारलें तुमची परिस्थिती ते बोला बाय पत्री फुटून सगळें उंदीर भितर आमगे 8 दीस लॉकडावनाक बंद आसले सगळें सामान काबार बोलालो पावस पडले आमकां कितलो डॅमेज जाता सांगपा जाय बोलालो ह्या परिस्थिती आमी अशें हाल काडटात आनी आमगे बोला म्हयने आमगे बोला रेंट टायमार व्हरता हे कदंबा महामंडळ आसते
काणकोणच्या वेगवेगळ्या जागृत नागरिकांनी तशेंच काँग्रेसीच्या कांय तरणाट्यांनी आयज स्पेशली माडाची चुट्ट हाडून गांधीगिरी पद्दतीन हो बस स्टँडाचें छप्पर शिवपाचें काम केलें ह्या विशयाचेर काणकोणचे कलेक्टर प्रितीदास गांवकर हाजे कडेन जेन्ना आमी उलयले तेन्ना ताणें सांगलें की ह्या बस स्टँडाचें खंय लॉकडावना पयलींच ताणें इन्स्पेक्शन केल्लें आनी कदंबा केटीसी महामंडळाक ताणें 10 दिसां भितर इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिल्लें की तुमी रिपेर करा म्हणून तेन्ना लॉकडावन जालें आनी सगळी परिस्थिती तशीच उरली आतां लॉकडावन जेन्ना सोंपतलें तेन्ना 10 दिसां भितर खंय परत तांकां इन्स्ट्रक्शन दितलो आनी जर कामाक सुरवात केलें ना जाल्यार बस स्टँड सील करपाची तयारी काणकोणचे डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान दवरल्या गोवा 365 खातीर देविदास गांवकर
Kurtori MLA-elect Reginald Lawrence has urged Chief Minister Pramod Sawant to set up a coronavirus testing center near border with Karnataka so as to test Goans evacuated from that state. He also asked the Chief Minister not to quarantine sailors when they come to Goa. Meanwhile, Health Minister Vishwajit Rane has tweeted that all sailors tested negative for coronavirus.
Reginald has asked the Chief Minister to speak to the Prime Minister on these issues and has promised to speak to Ayush Minister Sripad Naik.
पुलीस येता तांकां सेंटराचेर ड्रॉप करता फ्रॉम काणकोण फ्रॉम पोळें फ्रॉम अदर स्टेट फ्रॉम पोळें टू मोलें दे आर कमिंग टू क्वॉरंटायन तुगेले क्वॉरंटायन सेंटर तो खंय मोरगांव की तूं पयशे पिडात तेचोय एक सेंटर काड आनी थिंगा कर एट द बॉर्डर हें क्वॉरंटायन सेंटर आनी कोण नाका तांकां काड थिंगा बॉर्डराचेर कर तांकां टेस्ट टेम्पररी टेस्ट हेनी तांकां तो फास्ट रॅपीड टेस्ट कोन्नी let them go home and self-quarantine. Explain to them their problems. Give copy to the police to see that they are inside. Save money. as बड़ा पैसे कश करून वेस्ट करप न्ही क्वॉरंटायन सेंटराक कितें जाता तें तुका खबर ना लोक तुका अक्षरशः गाडी मारता सी फेरर हें इशू म्हणटा तूं आनी तें क्वॉरंटायन पेड क्वॉरंटायन म्हणटा तें करिनाका खंयच्या सेंटराचेर करया तांकां दवरया तांकां रॅपीड टेस्ट करया दे ऑलरेडी क्वॉरंटायन एज पर द लॉ यू कॅनॉट कीप देम गिव देम मोर क्वॉरंटायन आय वॉन्ट अ व्हेरी रॅपीड डिसिजन फ्रॉम यू हाल म्हणनाका की तुका सांगला म्हूण कोणेंच तुका आमी रायट फ्रॉम 15 days जाले 20 days जाले तुमकां आमी सांगता चीफ मिनिस्टराक हांव वचून सांगता तुका आनी हे पळय आहाय ते सगळे पेड क्वॉरंटायनाचे हे स्कॅम हे पेड क्वॉरंटायन पडे म्हणटा हें स्कॅम तुका म्हारग पडटलें दीस वील बी युअर डावनफॉल आनी हे टायमाचेर तूं जो तर चीफ मिनिस्टर जायन हे लोक पड जे भायर सान पड फोन मान पड रडटाय ते 20 days 30 days भितर आहाय रुमान ते पडे तांकां सी फेरर्सांक तांकां जावं दुसरी कंट्री आहाय तांकां एअरपोर्ट ओपन कर आनी सेपरेट फ्लायट्स करून तांकां हाडपाक कर इमिजिएटली अदरवायज ऑन दीस इश्यू ऑफ पीपल स्ट्रँडेड इन अदर कंट्रीज press upon the PM if you don't take action on all these issues of those people who are stranded outside and who want to come in आमकां रस्त्यार येवपा पडटलें ताबडतोब एक्शन घे तुगे ते सगळे न्हिदलाय तांकां जागोय and don't get carried away by advices from the wrong people. There is not a single case. तुवें सगळें ओपन केलां मायनींग तर तुवें सारकें फास्ट दवरलां फास्ट ट्रॅकाचेर दवरलां मायनिंगाचेर कितें चलत तें बट मातशें तेजेर नोट तें हांव तुका ते इरेग्युलेटीज सांगता तुका आनी 2 दिसांनी ऑलरेडी माय वॉच इज देर ऑन द इलिगल मायनिंग आतां हो इश्यू म्हणटा तूं तबडतब सॉल्व कर दिस इज इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ आमी गोंयकार दिस इज नॉट पर्सनल इंट्रस्ट दिस इज नॉट इंट्रस्ट ऑफ वन कम्युनिटी नॉट इंट्रस्ट ऑफ वन रिलीजन कोणाचें इट इज इन सारकें ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ गोवा.
Health Minister Viswajit Rane has tweeted that samples of 60 sailors tested negative. However, samples of 2 sailors had to be retested because of technical snag. Our reporter Sandeep Twekar from Madgaon.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Bicholi Bachao Abhiyan has raised objections over the installation of the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj near Sri Shantadurga High School, Bicholi, saying that this area was an accident-prone zone. They want the statue to be shifted to another place.
On Thursday, there was an accident where a tipper truck hit a scooter. The scooter rider Prakash Jalmi lost his legs due to accident.
सरकारच्या आणि हायकोर्टाच्या गायडलायन्स प्रमाणे मेन रस्त्याचेर ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन हे कितें आसूंक जायना आनी खंय पुतळे घालचे न्ही ही तांची गायडलायन आसा आनी म्हणूनच आमी हो जो पुतळो जो उबो केल्लो त्या पुतळ्याक आमी ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलें फक्त केवळ ते कितें एक्सिडेंट घडून येवचे न्ही कोणाक ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट जावचें न्ही म्हणून आमी शिवाजी महाराजाच्या अगेन्स्ट केन्नाच ना आनी ताजो पुतळो उबो करपाक आमी केन्नाच अगेन्स्ट नासले पण बिचोली बचाव अभियानान हाका फक्त केवळ विरोध केलो की तो एक्सिडेंटल झोन जावंक शकता तो सारको प्रॉपर हाजेर जाग्याचेर ना म्हणून आमी तांकां ओपोज केल्लो आनी आयज ताजे प्रत्ये हांगा जे दिसून आयिल्ले आसा कारण एक जल्मी म्हणून भुरगो त्या पुतळ्या कडेन थंय एक्सिडेंट जालो आनी ताका विनाकारण आपल्या बाबड्याक पांय ओगडोवन बसचें पडलें ताका ह्या गोश्टी खातीर जबाबदार कोण हाजो शोध घेवंक जाय म्हाका जाल्यार दिसता मुन्सिपाल्टीन तांकां परमिशन दिला PWDन तांकां पुतळो घालपाक परमिशन दिला आनी जांच्यांनी जबाबदारी घेतलेली ह्या गोश्टीक हे सगळे जबाबदार आसा आनी हांचेर म्हाका दिसता हाज्या ताज्या कुटुंबान ताजो एक्सिडेंट जाला ताज्या कुटुंबांनी हांचेर केस फायल करूंक जाय.
Ponda theatre artists on Friday demanded government financial support as they were going through bad times due to the COVID-19 mandated lockdown.
Rajdeep Naik and other artists held a media briefing where they said that there were many artists in Ponda Taluka dependent on theatre. They used to earn their livelihood by staging dramas all over Goa. But as events and religious functions had come to a halt, there was no demand for dramas, so a majority of artists have lost their means of livelihood.
अशा वेळार आमकां येवचें पडलें प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवची पडली कारण की तुमकां खबर आसा कोविडा खातीर सगळें बंद जालां आनी प्रत्येक जो वेवसाय करता पळय तो प्रत्येक जाण आपआपली गाराणी सरकारा मेरेन मांडटा पूण आमचे कडेन आमचो स्वताचो असो लिडर ना किंवा आमचें युनियन ना सो आमकां प्रत्येकाक आमची गाराणी मांडची पडटा आनी त्या खातीर आमी सरकारा कडेन कांय गाराणी मांडपाक सोदता एक निवेदन केलां तें निवेदन आमी 2 दीस रावन आमी मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत आमचो आर्ट एंड कल्चर मिनिस्टर गोविंद बाब गावडे आनी श्रीपाद नायक जे आमचे खासदार आसा आनी आयुष मंत्री आसा पळय तांचे कडेन हें दिवपाचें आसा. जेन्ना वेवसाय म्हणटा पळय तेन्ना गोंयांत कोंकणी नाटक हो वेवसाय म्हणून सुरू जालो फाटल्या 20 वर्सां हीच परिस्थिती जर 20 वर्सां पयलीं येयल्ली जाल्यार आमकां हांगा येवपाची गरज नाशिल्ली तेन्ना आमी हौशी नाटकां करताले उत्सवाक नाटकां करताले पूण ताजेर पोट भरिनाशिल्लें पूण 20 वर्सां उपरांत जेन्ना 20 वर्सां पयलीं आमी जेन्ना वेवसाय म्हणून सुरू केलो तेद्या वेळार आमच्या बरोबर कितल्योश्योच संस्था तयार जाल्यो आयज जवळ जवळ तशें पळोवपाक गेल्यार 30 ते 35 म्हणजे हांव एक्झॅक्टली आंकडो सांगपाक शकना पूण 30 ते 35 पंगड गोंयभर आसा खाची कोनशांनी जर कोंकणी चळवळ पावयली आसा जाल्यार ती नाटकां आनी गांवांनी ती नाटकां सुरू जाल्या आनी ते त्या नाटकाचेर पोट भरता पूण जेन्ना हें सगळें लॉकडावन जालें आनी आतां अश्यो बातमी येवपाक लागल्या की फुडलें वर्सभर तरी सुरू जातलें काय कितें असो प्रश्न आसा. आमच्या दर सिजन आमचो चवथी कडेन सुरू जाता ह्या वर्साची चवथ जातली काय ना जातली खबर ना. आमचो मार्च एप्रील मे हे म्हयने सामके सिजन म्हणजे आमी एक ग्रूप सादारणसो 20 ते 25 शो प्रत्येक जाण करताले ते सगळे ठप्प जाले आनी अशा वेळार जशे लोक आपल्याक मदत मागता तशें आमकांय मागची पडटा, मागचे नाशिल्ले आमी सरकारा कडेन, पूण आमकां मागपाक भाग पडटा, कारण आमचे कडेन जशे कलाकार आसा तशे सेट लावपी आसा, गाडी चलोवपी आसा, मागीर मेकअप करपी आसा, म्युजीक करपी आसा, लायट्स करपी आसा, हे सगळे बेकार पडल्या आनी खरेंच म्हटलें भिले आतां कितें करप काय म्हणून. अशा वेळार सगळे लोक जेन्ना मागणी करता तेन्ना आमी आमचे वतीन एक मागणी सरकारा कडेन दवरपाक सोदता. आनी हो प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स इतल्याच खातीर घेतला की आमी जेन्ना सरकारा कडेन मागणी करतले तेन्ना हो डिमांड आमी करतले म्हणून सगळ्या गोंयभर कळचें म्हणून ही प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स फाल्यांच्या पेपराच्या माध्यमांतल्यान, तुमच्या चॅनल्साच्या माध्यमांतल्यान त्या लोकां मेरेन पावोवन, आनी खरीच जर गरज आसा न्ही जाल्यार तांकां अशा पद्दतीन आपली एक सायन मारून, आपलें लिस्ट करून आमचे कडेन पावोवन, जेणे करून सगळ्यांच्या वतीन तें सरकारा कडेन पावचें.
रायतीबाईन सगळ्यो गोश्टी ब्रीफ केल्ल्यो आसा. हांव इतलें सांगूंक सोदतां की सरकारान कलाकारांची दखल घेवची. जसो सरकार बाकीचे डिपार्टमेंटान जावं बाकीचे लेबर आसा खूब जाणांची दखल घेतल्या, तशीच कलाकारांची दखल घेवची. कारण आज पर्यंत कलाकारान केन्ना अशी म्हाका दिसता मागणी केल्ली ना, आनी ही मागणी करची पडली कारण संवसारभरार ही महामारी येयल्ली आसा आनी कोणा कडेन पर्याय ना. कलाकारां कडेन तर पर्याय नाच, कारण जर सोशल गॅदरींग जालें जाल्यार आमी परफॉर्म करूं शकता, आनी जर आमी परफॉर्म केलें जाल्यार आमकां पयशे मेळचेच ना. त्या खातीर सरकार इतलेंच मागणें की सरकारान आमचें गाराणें आयकोन घेवचें आनी हेजेर कितें तरी उपाय काडचो. बाईन ऑलमोस्ट सगळ्यो गजाली सांगलेल्यो आसा आनी ते खातीर हांव सरकारा कडेन मागता की सरकारान हेजेर नक्कीच दखल घेवची आनी कलाकारांक जाता तितलो सपोर्ट करचो. देव बरें.
Our reporter Krishna Naik from Ponda.
SEZA workers affiliated to AITUC gave refreshment to police personnel at different sites in Bicholi as a form of gratitude frontline warriors of COVID-19.
लोकेशनार आमचे पुलीस भाव आसा ड्युटी, तांकां आमी रिफ्रेशमेंट दिता. तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा मे डे आमी पयलीं हेज्या पयलीं मडगांव, वास्को, फोण्या ह्या सगळ्याक आमी केला. पूण तो एक वर्सांसून एकदां येता, तो दीस आमी आयज सेलिब्रेट करता. आतां सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार हे कोविडाक लागून आयज फ्रंट लायन जे आमचे सोल्जर आहा हेंच्यांनी आयज आमकां खूब हेल्प केल्या. हेंच्या वांगडा डॉक्टरूय आसात, नर्सी आहात, तेंच्यांनी हे वायट प्रसंगाचेर आपलो जीव हेका दवरून तेंच्यांनी आमकां हेल्प केल्ली आहा. सो आमी तेंचो उगडास करता.
आयज मे डेक आख्ख्या राज्यात मोठ्यो रॅली आसताल्यो आनी प्रत्येक जण आपापल्या तरेन मे डे साजरो करतालो. पूण आपूण स्वताहून कोविड-19 आसलेले तेजे खातीर सगळ्यो रॅली कॅन्सल करून खंय तरी जे कोण फिल्डार काम करतात ताका रिफ्रेशमेंट दिवन खंयची तरी मेरेन आपलो जो साजरो पळय इफेक्टिव्हली तुमी इच्छा केल्या ती येवपा दिवपाची. सो कितें आतां एम्प्लॉयमेंट हे आहा पळय चडशे गोवन्स आहा आनी जे भायले आहा पळय तांकां आतां गव्हर्मेंटान रिस्पेक्टीव प्लेसीचेर धाडपाची अरेंजमेंट करपाची आहा ऑन आयदर सायड ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट. सो तुमचे कोण एम्प्लॉईज आहा सो तांकां वचपाची इच्छा आसा सो तेंच्यांनी इन्फॉर्म करपाचें प्रत्येक पुलीस स्टेशनाक. मागीर आमी ती लिस्ट कलेक्टराक डेप्युटन धाडटले आनी अकॉर्डिंगली जे ग्रूप मुवमेंट जातलो कॉम्प्रोसीस सो ते स्टार्ट जावपाचें. पॅनीक जावपाचें न्ही, स्लोली स्टेप बाय स्टेप सगळ्यांक वचपाची ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी सगळ्यांक मेळटली.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa365 TV and subscribe our YouTube channel Goa365 TV or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.